Hello and welcome to ACCA Masters. Most of my new students who want to start their career in ACCA mostly don't have some basic knowledge related to ACCA. For example, how many papers are there in ACCA, what is the method of registration, and how can they claim exemption in ACCA, and how can they appear for exams. So these are some basic questions that we will address in this video. So if I talk about the levels of ACCA, then we have three levels of ACCA. For example, applied knowledge level, applied skill level, and strategic professional level. We will see some more details related to them shortly. Now, if you want to start ACCA, then based on your previous qualification, you may get exemptions. By exemption, we mean you may not have to appear for those papers for which you are getting exemption in ACCA. And based on your previous qualification, you may get exemption either in applied knowledge level or in both applied knowledge plus applied skill level. Okay. The ACCA has also provided us an exemption calculator tool, the link of which I will share in the description of this video. So once you know your exemptions in ACCA, then you can register yourself with ACCA and ACCA will allot you a student registration number. And using that registration number, you can sign into your account anytime where you can check all the details relevant to your studies. So once you're registered with ACCA, then you can start taking classes. And in case if you are interested in online ACCA classes, then you can contact us anytime. You can find more details about us in this link, linktree.com/acca.uk. So in applied knowledge level, we have these three papers: business and technology, management accounting, and finally financial accounting. All of these are on-demand papers. On-demand papers, that means you can request to ACCA anytime during the year once you're ready for the exams. And the results of these exams will available to you immediately after the exam. Next we have applied skills level, in which we have 6 different papers. And this first paper is also on demand paper. That means you can take its exam anytime during the year. And all of these plus the previous exams are computer based papers. Okay, these are computer based exams. So in applied skills level, we have corporate and business law, performance management, taxation, financial reporting, audit and assurance, and financial management. And the exams of these papers held quarterly, for example in January, March, June, and in December. And then finally we have strategic professional level, in which we have two parts, for example essential papers and optional papers. In essential papers we have these two papers, for example strategic business leadership or SBL and strategic business reporting or SBR. In past these were two separate papers, for example P1 corporate governance plus P3 Business Analysis. But now ACCA has merged both of these papers and it becomes Strategic Business Leadership. So there is no options in these two papers and you have to pass them at any cost. So next we have four optional papers: 1, 2, 3 and 4, out of which you have to choose any two. So here we have to choose 2 out of 4. It depends where you have more interest. So in this video I tried to cover up some basic questions, and if you think that this video was helpful for you, then I will request you to share it with your friends. And finally, don't forget to join our YouTube channel where we keep posting some interesting videos relevant to ACCA studies. At the end, ACCA Masters wish you all the best in your professional career. Thank you very much for watching this video.